So let's make our background image look better. So to do that, we just come to our edit list. We are still on our background edit. So after we selected the image, we come to the image. We now style the image. That is our resolution. We want to select full. That is, we want to maintain the quality of that image. Now position is how the image is positioned inside the section. So here we want to select center so that we have it at the center of the image, from top, right, bottom, and left. So we want the image to stay at the center. As it is now, you see it's looking much better than what we have before. So the next one is attachment. If you want it to scroll or you want it to be fixed. So let's do scroll and see how it looks like. When I select scroll, you notice that the image scrolls with the page. But let me select fix and see what happened. On fix, this is what happened. As you scroll on that page, the image remains on the same spot. You could have seen this in a couple of some websites, that where you scroll, the image is fixed and the page is still scrolling up. So I will leave it as fixed. So repeat is if you want the image to repeat itself. Now there are cases where if you are adding an image that is smaller to this section, the image tends to repeat itself so that it cover up the spaces on this section. Take for instance, if you are selecting an image that maybe probably is half the width or the length of this section, you tend to have images that are repeated just because it wants to fill up the whole of this section. So in cases like that, you don't want it to repeat, you just want a single image. So you can always come to the repeat settings and set it to no repeat. So in this case, you just have one image. But in cases where you have images that are smaller to this section and you selected repeat, it is always advisable to get image that is bigger than your section so that you have quality and you don't have to distort the image to match the length of your section. At the end of the day, reducing the quality of that image or making it look bad, which is very bad for design. But just in case you find yourself in that kind of situation, you can just click on repeat, then come to display size and select cover. So with cover, you're saying that the image should cover up the whole of the section. Either the image is small or not, it should stretch it out and cover up the whole of the section. Then we have contain. Contain means that it should maintain the original size of the image. If you notice now, this image, this is the original size of the image. It's not actually up to the width of this section. So if I go and click on repeat now, you see what I was saying? It's now repeating the image in multiple places, which is very bad for design. So let's just leave it as no repeat. I will cover up the whole of the section. So we have a better experience this way than the other one that I was trying to explain. So quickly, let us check on the fact that we can put some couple of other design here. Let's do like a overlay on this image so that our text will come out better. No, but before that, let us add some couple of elements. Then we get to know the reason why we are adding an overlay to this section.